Hello guys again, we have a new unboxing. This is my new monitor, AOC G2778VQ. It is a 27 inch, has an AMD FreeSync gaming monitor. We have 1 ms, we have flicker free, audio, full HD, HDMI, display ports, VGA, you can connect. How it looks in the box. And let's open it. This is the HDMI cable, an audio cable with a CD and some manuals, a display port cable, very nice, too much cable inside, power cord, a VGA cable. What else you need? Everything is inside. Base. Let's turn it around. How it goes, I think, yes, like that. Let's screw this on the outlet. That was all. And voila. That is the monitor, guys, yes. And with all the goodies inside. HDMI, display board, VGA, power cord, audio cable and manuals. And this is the monitor. From the other side, how it looks. AOC logo, and here we got the connections, display port, HDMI, VGI, headphones, sound in from your PC. From the other side is the power cord. You can mount it into your wall, of course, if you want. There are 4 holes here. Now to install this monitor, just power cord, install it from the behind. Next, take the display port or VGA or HDMI, whatever is more suitable for you. And after installation, turn it on, standby LED, start your PC. Of course, I will install my drivers for my new graphics card. You can see the video right in the corner. And something else, because it's not so easy to handle the menu from the AOC motor. There is a software inside in the box. You can install this iMenu, and definitely it will help you to change some settings that you want, contrast, warm, cool, normal, natural skin, screen fill, demo, whatever you need. It's the same thing with the buttons down there, but it's very easy because there's a software and you can change settings with your click of your mouse. And there is another one, the iSaver, that here you can change the time that your monitor goes to sleep. The screensaver goes off, it's on. It's very easy in that, very helpful. And that was all, guys. Thank you for watching for this lovely video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my video is your choice. And share this video, you never know who may need it. Thank you again. Have a nice and lovely day.